Welcome back to my channel. This is Coin Code. I'm DMO. On this video, I'm going to show you a mind-blowing and the best crypto arbitrage platform on the internet. And in addition, I'm going to show you how you can make up to $2,000 trading with this platform I'm about to show you. So make sure you don't skip any part of this video because every minute of this video carries an important information you won't afford to miss. Now, before I proceed, please use 2 seconds of your time to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative and educative content like this. So now, let's move. Remember, on my previous video, I explained arbitrage trading, and on that video, I said crypto arbitrage can be of 2 types: currency arbitrage and crypto pair arbitrage, you understand? And the currency arbitrage require your credit or your debit card, you understand? And countries that ask crypto restrictions like Nigerian, we always find it difficult to make money from currency arbitrage, you understand? But on this video, I'll be showing you an arbitrage platform where the system works for you, you understand? And remember, crypto arbitrage is buying crypto from an exchange with lower rates and sell to another exchange at higher rate, you understand? But this platform perform the buying and selling in one single spot, you understand? Which means that you are just to log into your account, place trade, then the system works for you, then you wait for the few minutes or hour to count down, then you receive your profits and your capital in your balance, you understand? And this platform I'm talking about is called Now to Trade, which link is on the video description below, so make sure you use the link to register. Now to Trade is a Turkish arbitrage company that offer arbitrage opportunities in one single spot, you understand? That means you are doing your buying and selling in one single website, you understand? Which make it very easy to operate. All you just need to do is to sign up with the link below, then register with your email or your phone number, you understand my point? Then after that, you're 100% good to go, you understand? And remember, I'm going to show you a live deposit, trading and withdrawal on this platform, so make sure you don't skip any part of this video, you understand? Now, after you are successfully signed up, it will take you to your dashboard, you understand? On your dashboard, it will show your balance, your in progress, your arbitrage profit, and everything you need to know, you understand? Now, first thing you need to know is to go through their social handle, you understand? You can see that their Facebook, their Telegram, Instagram, and lots more, you understand? So you can join their Telegram community with the link below, you understand? And also again, you can see their statistics, you understand? In the last 24 hours, they have traded $6,000 worth of Bitcoin, and the average current price difference is $610, you understand, in profit only in the last 24 hours, you understand? And now when you scroll down, you will see their transaction, you will see multiple transactions every minute and every second, you understand? So now after you have understood the interface, the next thing to do is to add fund to your account, you understand? So you click on this plus sign on your dashboard, you understand? Then you copy your Bitcoin address. Currently now you can only deposit your account with Bitcoin, you understand? Which means you can only deposit with Bitcoin, but later on other currency pair will be available for you to deposit, you understand? So you copy your wallet address, then send Bitcoin. The minimum balance to send is $25 worth of Bitcoin to start your trading, you understand? Or you can also go to your wallet, clicking at the bottom part, then you see multiple cryptocurrencies. You will see Bitcoin, Doge, Litecoin, Ethereum, Ripple. Then you can see that Dogecoin is currently disabled, which means it will be enabled but in the future, you understand? But currently now you can only trade with BTC. So now for you to deposit, you click on deposit, you click on it, it will take you to the section whereby you need to copy your address, then you send $25 worth. That is the minimum. But remember, crypto arbitrage, the more capital you use, the more profit you get, you understand? Now, as you can see, I've already deposited my account, you understand? Although I've already traded with this account, but I'm going to do a live proof again for you to see, you understand? So now, since you have successfully deposited, it will reflect on your dashboard, as you can see on my dashboard. So now the next thing to do is to click on these 2 arrows facing each other at the middle part below your phone screen, you understand? So you click on it, then it will take you to this trading section whereby you will see the market for sale, the market for buy, you understand? Although the system will help you and do it, you understand my point? So now, when looking at this one, you will see the exchanges. You will see, look at this first one, sell for coin egg, then buy for pair to pair, B2P, you understand? If you look at the price on coin egg, is 59,412. On pair to pair B2P is 58,700. That is the difference. Now, if you look below, you see current difference 661.27 USDT. You understand? Matched amount, you see below, you see the worth of Bitcoin that you are going to profit. And remember, this is when, if you trade 1 Bitcoin, you understand? If you trade 1 Bitcoin, this is the profit here. So remember the quantity you are trading, you understand? That's why I said the higher the capital, the more the profit, you understand? So now, after that, you just need to click on start, you understand? But first of all, this top section you saw here, total balance 0.026 BTC, you understand? So now when you want to trade, the pair is already below, you understand? So now you just need to impute, if you want to use 25% of your money, or 50% of your money, or 75% of your money, or 100% of your money to trade on this arbitrage platform, you understand? You can just click 100% or 75%, then you scroll down, then click on start. You understand my point? So now on this video, I'm going to use 25% of my capital to trade, you understand? So remember, you are the minimum trade you can trade is $25, you understand? And I have more than $150 on my wallet now, so I will just put $25. Then I will go down, I'll scroll down, then click on start, you understand? Then you just have to wait for it to load up. Now, as you can see that my balance have been reduced by 25%, you understand? And if you look below my active transaction, you can see that my transaction is on a countdown 3 hours 58 minutes. You understand my point? So now the system is working with the money, you understand, now on arbitrage, you understand? Then now you will see that at the end of this countdown, 3 hours 58 minutes 47 seconds, 0.00352 BTC will be added to my account, you understand? That is just how the arbitrage opportunity works. And if you look below, you will see that in process, look below at the top right corner, you see that in process 0.0065 BTC, which was $38, you understand? And my arbitrage profit is 0.000523, which is $0.31, you understand? This is just I'm just making this video to show you how. But the more money you use, the more profit you get, you understand my point? Now at the end of the countdown, when your profits have been included to your balance, you understand my point? When you want to withdraw your funds, you understand? Remember, you can be doing this thing every day. There's no limit on it, you understand now? There's no limit, and this process is worldwide. You can do it from any country at all, you understand? So now after you are successfully traded, they want to remove your profits. You go back to your wallet by clicking the wallet icon down below. Then you will see the summary of your account, you understand? You see your profits, stuff like that, incoming and all the rest. So you click on withdraw. Since you want to withdraw your money, you click on withdraw. This menu will come up. This menu means that money withdrawal account, there is no recipient account defined for your BTC transfer, you understand? This means that you have to include your Bitcoin wallet, either from your Binance, your KuCoin, or anywhere you hold Bitcoin, you understand? But I suggest you put it on Binance so that you just sell it once on pay-to-pay, then take your money, you understand? So now you click on define recipient, you click on it. Now as you can see on this section, you have to input your Bitcoin address, you understand? So on the first label, you have to input anything like, let me say my Bitcoin, my Binance Bitcoin account, you understand? Then below it, you input your wallet address. Then you click on I approve the wallet and accept the risk, then click save. Now as you can see, I just imputed the label, the address, and I've ticked the box. Then now the next thing to do is to click on save. Then after that, it will pop out these informations that say your information have been successfully updated. So you click on OK. So after you have successfully imputed your address, you click on withdraw, you understand? But before we withdraw, shout out to Epic Movie, Aliyu Otito Okafor, and Craft Software System. Thank you very much for your support. I really appreciate it. Please note that I do a random shout out for all my subscribers. So make sure you are subscribed to get mentioned on my next video. And also make sure you turn on notifications so that you don't miss out anytime I drop mind-blowing updates like this. You understand? So now let's move. So now after you click on withdraw, it will take you to these sections that asks you which wallet do you want to send your BTC balance to. So now on this section now, you have to click on this empty box and select your BTC address that you imputed that time. Then now below it, you will see the amount at which you want to withdraw. So now if you click on this arrow upward, it means that you are withdrawing everything in your balance. although you can still impute the amount at which you want to withdraw, you understand. And when you look below it, you will see the summary of your transaction. Transaction fee is 1.3, you understand, which costs 0.00025 BTC, you understand. Your average transaction time is 18 minutes, you understand. That means if I withdraw 0.0195 BTC, it will take 18 minutes for it to reflect on my balance, you understand my point. And the amount that will be reflected will be 0.99192465 worth of BTC. So I click on next. It will take you to this section for confirmation, you understand. And please make sure that all your informations are correct, especially your BTC address, you understand. So once you know your informations are correct, then you click on start transaction. It will start loading up, you understand. Then it will pop out this option that say your request for withdrawal has been processed, you understand. So in the next 18 minutes, you will see it on your balance. That is just how to trade on nowtotrade.com, you understand. Now when you go to your dashboard, you will notice that your balance is 0, you understand, because I withdrew everything. So now you can also click on this menu tab, then go to references. On references, you can copy your referral code, you understand, and share with your friends. Then you will get 5% off any transaction that your referral makes, you understand, which means that you should share this video to at least 5 people, you understand, and give them your referral link so that they will know how to go about it and use your referral link to register, you understand my point. And also make sure you register with the link below and join our Telegram community and the community of Now to Trade for you to get more information and quick updates, you understand. All the links are on the video description below. As this will be it for this video. See you on my next video.